Hey, all right, so let me just put you through this a bit, right? So you can see what we have here. And this is for your second issue. So the first thing you want to do, you would want to create a page state variable. Since I'm getting the page state, not an app state. So depending on whichever you wish to use, you can make it a page state or an app state. So you just want to add a field and you could title it anything. Now I have already created one. I called my um tag filter. So I'm just going to remove this. So I call this one tag filter, you can see here, and you're going to make this nullable, and it's going to be a string. So once you have that, now on your list view, since you're also calling us from an API, I'm also calling mine from an API, which is super basic here. So, okay, you already know how to create your list. So I have a list here, and each container here is going to have an action, right? So mine is actually doing a bit of more work, but ideally what you just want to do is you would want to update the page state. So you have an update page state here, and it's going to be tag filter, and you could just like make this to be the title of the specific tag, right? And that's just like the idea. Or you kind of like want to create um, an identifier for each container, right? So something unique like the name that's coming along with the API, or the specific row ID that can also work. Okay, so I'm not going to close this now. And once you've had that, next you'd want to work with these conditions here, right? So then we're going to say like if title is equal to tag filter, as if the title in the app set is equal to probably this specific row ID for this specific row or for this specific container, then you don't want to make something like this as conditional value. Let me show you how we made that, right? So this is going to be if I say something like this, as I want to start all over, then I'm going to say conditional value, right? And just something like this, where it's going to be a single condition where um page state tag filter is equal to um what's that filter equals to again? Yeah, is equal to tag list item, that's this specific row ID, and I'm going to get row field. And let's say I want to use something, for instance, like the title. For your case, you could use the ID. It just depends on whatever you wish to use. I'm going to say the title and confirm, and I'm going to set the color. Oh, I can't press cancel there. Okay, let's try it again. Where page state tag filter is equal to tag this item get row field title confirm, and then you just want to set the color. Let's say you want to use red, or want to use something like gray. So that's just like the idea. And the same thing would also apply to the elevation. So it could also move up a bit, because it's kind of like the same condition we have in both cases. So that's just the basic idea on how to a basic solution for your second query. And yeah,